camera.
It's
We're
not
live.
It's not live yet.
We're live. We're live. And this is Sarah
Hi
Show.
guys.
Hello.
We are from Chalate Saath.
For the moment, yes.
For the moment. Yes.
And we're here to answer your questions. Let us also tell you a little about ourselves. Osama, why don't you tell us about this character you've played
Which character?
in the movie?
Zen.
Yes.
Zen. Okay, so I played Zen in Chalate Saath. और Zen एक अजीब-व-गरीब मखलूक है. उसको कुछ खास पता नहीं कि वो ज़िंदगी के साथ क्या कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है, किस तरह कर रहा है. थोड़ा सा पता है, ज़्यादातर वो कंफ्यूज्ड है. बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज है. उसको समझ में नहीं आता वो क्या कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है, किस तरह कर रहा है, मगर वो कर रहा है. उसकी एक अदद बीवी है जो तानिया है, हु इज प्लेड बाय मंशा पाशा. उन दोनों की लड़ाई होती है.
Sweet lady. Nice.
Of sorts. So yeah, that's pretty much it. He's a confused guy who is up in the mountains and he's trying to figure out what to do with his friends. क्योंकि वो चले थे साथ.
Ah, that's why. I was wondering like ये नाम क्यों रखा है चले थे साथ. Okay. Well, my character's name is Faraz. I think it was easy to name my character Faraz after my name.
Yeah.
He's a young person जो जिंदगी में भटक रहा है. He hasn't figured out what to do, relationship wise or work wise. So ये जो सफ़र पे निकलते हैं एक साथ. As you know about the film, it's a group of friends who go off to Hunza. So for him, that is a journey of self-discovery. It sounds like a cliche, but it's interesting क्योंकि आपको from a performance perspective, you get to see actors, or rather, actors reveal different sides of a character. So you'll see people having a good time and hasi mazak, then you'll see them in a dramatic situation or a conflict, and then you'll see some romance as well. So I think it's very well rounded and very interesting to watch. Sarah, tell us about your character.
I'm playing Resham's character, and so Faraz and Zain and Tanya, we're all friends together. Going back to Hunza, yeah, like best friends. So going back to Hunza because I'm originally from Hunza.
Are you?
No,
Aren't you
Resham.
from- Ah, right.
Resham. Resham is from Hunza. So she's taking her friends back with herself, and on this journey, it's not a road trip by the way, so don't think that it's all on the road. And
It's not?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so she's going with her friends, and everyone I feel pretty much is on a self-discovery journey, and and then she sort of comes across.
Achha, just a little insight about Hunza. Now, the film is set in Hunza for a particular reason. Kyunki in the film we learn about Hunza as a place, incidents that took place there. And I think Resham's character is a representative of the people of Hunza.
Yeah, totally.
Would you care to comment? She's going back to Hunza to live there.
Yeah, but she's lived there all her life, so all that sort of Zain or Faraz or Tanya, they're getting to know about Hunza, she already knows.
हाँ, what I was trying to get at, बहुत सारे लोग जो हुंजा के रहने वाले जो कराची या लाहौर या कोई बड़ी शहर आते हैं काम करने के लिए, कुछ अरसे बाद वो वापस चले जाते हैं.
They go back and serve their community.
And because they want to serve the community. So that is Resham's character.
Yeah.
So that, hey, we have a comment from Soha Malik. Hey guys, describe your co-stars in 3 words.
Co-stars in 3 words.
Co-stars.
In 3 words. चलो तुम शुरू करो. 3 words.
In 3 words, professional.
Who is this that you're describing?
Friendly, everyone.
Everyone.
Professional, and lots of fun. Yeah, okay, your favorite song from the movie?
I love Pariyan and I love Khalis Makhan.
Okay, what do you like? I like Bolo by.
Oh, I love Bolo too.
That's
Bolo
good.
too.
I like all the songs.
Yeah.
Mariam, Bolo, and वो कौन सा है? Mola?
Yeah, Mola is really good
Okay,
too.
that is a Miss Sanam Muhammad Iqbal. We don't use that term. It's actually.
But he uses it for himself.
Do you?
I mean, he
can.
No, but isn't it? But that's a noun we use in Urdu, like Cheen.
Yeah.
So Chini, China, yeah. So his name is Kent. Kent is on his way to Beijing.
He's
वापस
there,
चला
he's
गया.
there. वो
वापस
Beijing में बैठा
चला
वो
गया.
Beijing. अच्छा पहुंच गया.
पहुंच चुका है,
Okay,
पहुंच.
okay पहुंच गया. वो अब
and we're
कराची
really
में.
sad about it.
Yeah. Anybody else? So Sanam Muhammad Iqbal. Okay, so let's talk about how different was it. So speaking of Kent, how was it to work with Kent?
I think it was a lot of fun.
मजा आया आपको?
मुझे बहुत मजा आया. No, it was a lot of fun, and I liked the way he took his character really seriously, and you know, agar wo, if he had to be in a certain kind of mood, then he would stay in that mood the entire day, and that sort of, you know, helps you stay in the mood as well.
Wasn't he supposed to be in love with you? With your character?
No, I'm talking about the days when he was slightly stressed and, you know.
Okay, I'm just messing. Osama, how did you and Ken got along because आप दोनों Canadian हैं ना?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ऐसे ही मिले
अम्मी Canadian है या
नहीं ना अम्मी ना अबू
अच्छा
हमने हिजरत की थी
अच्छा ओके
तो वहाँ से जाके हमने पासपोर्ट उठाया
राइट
हर
तो आप
That's
दोनों
very literal.
आप दोनों ने Canada के बाद so was it difficult working with him? I don't think so.
I know it all.
Great.
I think, and like Sarah said, it's interesting to work with a professional actor जो बाहर के मुल्क में works as a professional actor because then you see their work ethic is different, their approach is also different. So I think it was very refreshing, good experience overall. Nice guy, Kent.
Yeah.
Very nice boy.
Yeah. Awesome.
And
so Masood Bari is saying.
So are you?
So you are new guys. I'm talking about Hero.
You middle one, I think I saw you one in drama, I don't remember, but I saw you don't know where. You middle one. Yeah, my name is
You
Faris.
middle one.
Beach wale?
Yeah. Okay, we have another question that's moving really fast.
No.
Oh yeah. So yeah, मैंने drama serials किए थे और sitcom किया था बहुत पहले. This is my second feature.
Who is the funniest of the cast?
Did your phone charge enough? Hey Saira, can you give a shout out to your biggest fan, Mr. Ali Kanchi? Kanch.
Hi,
Ali Kanch.
Hi, Mr. Ali Kanch.
It's by Faik Ahmed. Hi Faik.
Hi, Faik. How are you, Faik?
And Adil Tahir, did your phone charge enough?
Who's he
Adil
asking?
Tahir.
Is he asking you?
I don't know. Did your phone charge?
Well, your
enough?
phone.
My phone is charging.
Yeah.
So thank you, Adil Tahir, whoever you are. I mean, you could be some musician in Karachi. Who knows? Plays for Coke Studio.
Yeah.
So tell us something about the journey. सफर उर्दू में या अंग्रेजी में?
कौन सा सफर
किया आपने?
आप मुझे बताएं.
I keep saying it. For me, the entire journey was like a vacation. I had a great time, great place, great experience, wonderful people. Great experience because when you are away from home, देखें जब आप कहीं पे रह रहे होते हैं, मतलब आप अपने घर से शूट पे जा रहे होते हैं, तो distractions बहुत से होते हैं. But over there, you're gone there for work, so you are very, very focused. And also we got to look at the culture of Hunza, which was I think fantastic. And that's what the film has tried to capture. Women empowerment is a very big deal. A lot of working women over there, local entrepreneurs, keeping the place clean, very independent. वो लोग बैठे नहीं रहते कि भाई जब हुकूमत आएगी सफाई करने तो कुछ होगा या हुकूमत आएगी ये करने को कुछ होगा. They get up and they're very proactive. And that is I think what we've tried to show in the film as well. The culture of Hunza is such through Resham's character. हमारे characters तो खैर कराची के हैं, so we are a little different. But correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, no, I myself I was pretty surprised when I went to Hunza. I didn't expect them to be so liberal, you know, to be so. The literacy rate over there is pretty high.
90%.
Yeah, so and whether you work or not, like that. I can't give spoilers.
Yeah, don't say it.
Yeah, I can't
Don't.
say it. I'm sorry.
Sorry. Next.
But
time.
yeah, women over there work as though it's very normal. यहाँ पे अभी फिर भी थोड़ा सा होता है कि you want to go out and work.
Yeah, like even Shale's character.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to get at, but
What,
then
she's
I was
not
like, I
here?
shouldn't. No, I was like, I
No,
shouldn't
character.
reveal what the movie and what she's doing in there.
So why don't you guys tell us your funniest moment in the film that you remember?
Funniest.
Was it when that dog chased you?
A dog never chased me.
It didn't?
It did.
No, it didn't.
It did. I have it on my phone.
I think it was a wild goat.
You know, it's really funny because this has happened to me, but when I was 9.
A goat chased you?
A dog, no. So
You chased a goat.
no, I was 9 and we were at Gidani and a
Dog
goat
chased a
was running. I was running and the goat was running after me and the dog was running after the goat.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, this actually happened, but yeah, when I was 9.
So Afshin Ali has watched the movie, but the story wasn't strong as expected. But acting skills of you all 10 out of 10. Cinematography was 10 out of 10. Lovey. Alright, the story wasn't strong as expected. Okay, I think that becomes difficult when you've got so many stories running in
Yeah.
parallel. Shout outs to people who are commenting. Yeah! That's a shout out to people who are commenting. So that'll be Noman Khan. Sing your favorite song from the movie. My favorite song is Bolo, so I don't know how it goes.
Neither do I.
But we know Mariam.
Let's just harmonize.
Mariam. That's it.
No, Maria.
Yeah.
I can't
Next
sing,
question.
So.
Okay, so you're funny. Send a message to Kent. Kent.
We'll send a message.
Yeah. At the end?
Yeah.
Okay, at the end. Okay, not bad.
Okay, so.
Funny moments on set बहुत थे by the way.
अच्छा तुम कौन सी मूवी
कुछ-
के शर्ट पे थी?
Shirt पे थी.
Shirt. What shirt were you
कौन सी
wearing?
movie के shirt
What
पे
the
थी?
shirt? What the shirt?
I think a fun moment was that day when Apricot Fight broke out in between the scene.
You mean when people used food to pelt each other? Yeah.
Yeah, which
You were
was
right there, right?
I was. I did it as well.
yeah.
I think Boreat.
Say Boreat.
Movie was fab. Movie name? It's called Chale The Saath. Hafsa Sufyan. Thanks for jumping in.
Right here. This.
Movie was fab. 9 out of 10. Thank you, Zair Yar Khan.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Glad you liked the movie.
Okay, so I have a question that I
Yes.
would like to ask Saira and Faris in
Okay.
that order.
In that, so first you.
How's your journey as a whole,
As a whole.
As a whole, what?
as a holistic thing? How was your journey? So, your first feature,
Yeah.
right? So you got casted, you got a part of it, then you did the film, and then you got back, and then
Yeah.
the promotions and yes, of
Yeah.
course. So how has that entire procession been? For
I
you?
think it's been very enlightening in a way as well, because what you see, and because obviously a lot of movies have come out, and you know they've been shot differently, they've done their promotions, and when you're just looking at it happening, you're like, it's very tough, you know, it's very time consuming. I remember when we had gone to Lahore, we literally the only time that we would get is to sleep and eat. Besides that, we were just either promoting or giving interviews, and also it sort of takes a toll on you as well.
Really?
No.
No, I didn't know you felt the
Yeah,
same way about
I
Lahore.
did.
Okay.
It takes a toll on you, but in a good way. You're sort of living and breathing that in that. Yeah.
Shameless,
I'm just
absolutely
going to-
shameless. Okay, why should Pakistanis watch this
What-
movie? What? Oh, sorry. Oh, you still want to...
holisticness.
Holistic, yeah, I think it's great. I got a chance to, like I said, it was like a big vacation. I got a chance to work with different people, meet different people, everyone included. Good experience for somebody who loves feature films and loves making feature films or wants to make a feature film.
Yeah.
I think it's great learning from the start, from making the script to the release. You know, the different things you experience. It's not easy. And I think in a short while हम अपने director producer को भी यहाँ साथ लेकर आएंगे to ask them. They have an interesting insight about the challenges of making a film in Pakistan. But we made it. So हो गया ना. So can one of you mimic Kent?
Mimic Kent?
No, apart him being Chinese, I don't think so. Why should Pakistanis watch this movie? Why should they? Saira, क्यों?
क्योंकि ये एक पाकिस्तानी मूवी है एक और, and I think there's no harm in going and just spending 2 hours and sort of supporting your industry and seeing for yourself.
And I think also we try to do something a little different. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We've done a lot of
How is
things.
it different?
So, okay.
How?
A very
I
small
would
thing.
just like to say that whatever you guys have, I mean, obviously you may have read a lot about it already. Just go and judge it for yourself.
Yeah.
हाँ, क्योंकि reviews are written by opinions.
Yeah.
ठीक है? अगर आपका बुरा दिन चल रहा है, that could affect. अगर अच्छा दिन चल रहा है, that could affect it too. So every opinion has its own weight.
Yeah.
दूसरी बात ये है, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm asking you to all of this. जिसने भी review लिखा है, जो भी film critics हैं, do you think it's important for them to be credible as well as film critics? To have a credibility as a film critic? How is a person labeled as a film critic? What enables that person to be that? I can't ask that question more than that way.
That is a
I don't know.
very
मुझे पता नहीं है. मुझे पता नहीं तो मैं
Yeah, for
अलग से
us,
मैं
to be
पूछ रहा
very honest, I think the industry is really new right now. So we don't have people who are, you know, very well established in these.
हूँ. अच्छा चलो.
areas.
Sorry, I'm very distracted by Mr. On Muhammad, who's like any job for fresh graduate. Yeah, you see, Yeah. Thank you, On. We are not actually hiring. This may look like a job interview. We're not hiring. This is for a film. Anyway, go on.
Yeah. So I think that's a problem. That everything's too new right now. But yeah, I think that is what somewhat. Like, I don't know.
I think it's difficult now. Internet की वजह से आप लोगों को किस तरह रोकेंगे? It's like an open platform. Everyone's going to say what they want. And this is just getting too serious. So Can speak better Urdu now.
I think he can.
I think he forgot all his Urdu. Because when we filmed this thing about a year ago, so उस time he learned from a few lines. We taught him some cuss words. कुछ गालियाँ भी सिखाई थी उसको. But now he forgot. He came back and we were like, hey, and we thought like चलो गाली बको and he could.
No, but he actually he would easily pick up on what people are saying.
Yeah, he would understand.
Yeah, he would understand and he would respond back in English. I thought that was really cool.
Sarah,
Ji.
I know you've worked with some great people, including myself. But who is your favorite co-star from the movie? And don't say me. Okay, you can. But who's your favorite co-star? Out of all of us.
Out of all of you, well, I mean, I got to interact more with Kent because I had more scenes with him. But
That's not true. Watch the film. That's not true.
of course it is.
No, it's not.
Look, all of you were great.
My friend Hamad Aftab.
Chale jao, okay.
Arshad Ijad.
Listen, there was a big comment that I wanted to read. Can we scroll up?
You guys will be releasing in Us? I don't know. Why? Oh, in the US. I know, I'm kidding. It's a joke.
Okay, can you read that because my eyesight is really bad. So.
I like the graphics, like logo चले थे साथ. I think animation पर अभी भी मेहनत करनी चाहिए हमारे directors को, because I saw Pakistani movies where story was strong but animation graphics wise वो इतनी अच्छी नहीं हुई. Pati so work on it also. Give that. Do you guys not understand punctuation? Good luck. You all, Sarah, Faris and Osama Tahir. बहुत जल्द आप ये नाम जानेंगे.
US.
साकिब नासिर मैं मजाक कर रहा था. I know you mean us. No, I mean US, United States. Okay, so what is the question?
My friend Hamad Aftab likes the guy in the middle.
Why can't you have a girl who likes me? Why does a guy have to like me?
You're a likable guy.
No.
You are.
This sucks. Okay, what is the next question? So let's talk about the director. Like we all know that he is a nice person.
He's a great guy. Omar Adil, the director of the film of Chale.
I'll say one thing, he has nerves of steel. But he's sitting in the room so we can't say anything nice.
Or bad.
Umar, आप प्लीज बाहर जाएं ताकि हम आपके पीठ पीछे अच्छी चीजें बोलें.
You need to respect.
No, I think honestly, I think we learned a lot. For one thing, और ये आप अपने बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में भी देख सकते हैं, अगर आपके जो बॉस हैं, जो टॉप जो लीडर हैं, अगर वो आपके साथ अच्छा सलूक करें तो आप बाकी लोगों के साथ भी अच्छा सलूक करते हैं. So because there were times, I think someone from Suneri Bank also asked what was like filming in that different weather. It got challenging, आप सुबह को उठते हैं 5 बजे शूट के लिए और फिर बारिश होना शुरू हो जाती, फिर धूप निकलती थी, फिर बहुत गर्मी हो जाती थी. कभी कभार खाना लेट आता था क्योंकि हम होटल से बहुत दूर थे, पहाड़ों के बीच में. So you would find all these reasons to complain. But when the rest of the team is not complaining, आप कहेंगे भाई मैं क्यों complain करूँ? We're all here to work, so let's remain focused on the job. And I think that really helps. If you have a director who can जो कुछ बोले बगैर आपको motivate कर सके, I think that's a very good thing, very important thing. It makes the entire experience very comfortable and a lot more less painful. So what's the inspiration for the movie? Sadeh Lari, I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. Sadeh Lari. Lari. So what's the inspiration for the film? ये सवाल ये जवाब उमर आदिल देंगे क्योंकि it was his idea that came about. I love you, Sarah Shehroz.
Go Nawaz, go.
Hamad Aftab, the guy who likes me also. Okay, go Nawaz. It's not a political actor from the cast. I think it was a goat. We know Sarah,
Faris.
but don't know about you guys. You're new in this era. So that's why we are appreciating you. Thanks. Yes, we are new. I don't know.
Appreciating her?
They want to appreciate you.
They're supporting, yeah, so thank you. This is supporting new unknown faces. जो शायद उनके पड़ोसी भी नहीं जानते उनको.
When you release in UAE, Sabah Muzaffar is asking.
Any funny
Inshallah
stories
soon.
on the set? I think the funniest was जब मैं वहाँ थी भी नहीं.
और जब मंशा और
और
मेरा फटा
मंशा
हुआ था.
और
Yes.
फारिस का फटा
Let's put it
हुआ.
out there in the open.
Then I
Mansha,
heard
Pasha,
about, and I was like, you do you know?
Mansha,
that
Pasha,
we
and I
got
had a
into
fight on location whilst we were filming.
Yes.
It wasn't so much of a fight. मतलब we were shooting a scene and मंशा ने rehearse किया था किसी prop के साथ. तो जब कैमरा रोल हुआ था वो prop था नहीं, तो मंशा की concentration टूट गई और मैंने कहा नहीं cut. And when you are, at least for me, when I'm acting, I go into a certain zone, and for me that was distracting. So I lost my temper, and I yelled at Mancha in front of everyone. And
And then I heard about it because I wasn't on set that day, so it was like something that was
but
going on.
we made up because it was professional and not personal, and because Mancha is a great person, and I'm sure she thinks I'm a great person too, right, Mancha? And so we've put it behind us, and now
Yeah,
we're friends.
totally. But it just comes up every
That was a
time.
lot of fun.
Yeah.
मजा बहुत आया था उसमें.
बहुत like.
Yeah, it was fun. I mean, people want that, na? Everyone gets
You know,
along
because
with-
we were in that area वहाँ कुछ कोई gossip नहीं, we had like कुछ भी नहीं था हमारे पास internet भी नहीं था to really rely on any source of entertainment. So this was entertainment for us.
Aliza Fatma says, watched your movie, Sairu. You was looking much active and handsome. Good
you.
job,
So
Saira.
handsome, Saira.
Thank
She's
you.
a handsome.
Sairu is
Yeah.
so handsome.
She is.
Alright.
Okay, so let's say, what is one thing we liked about Hunza?
Why can't you use big fighting scene in movie?
I
mean, there was enough
Maybe in
fighting.
the sequel. Inshallah, in the sequel. Let's ask Mr. Umar Adil about a sequel. जिसमें नाच गाना फड्डा इस तरह की चीजें होंगी. I hope so. I look forward. Saira Api, you are best. May your movie get much more success. Ameen. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please go and watch it.
Some Fatma has said that. Alright.
Congrats, Saira, on winning Lux. You want a Lux
I
award?
did not.
What?
यार ये जख्म पे आप नमक छिड़कने. हाँ, nice job. Saira, new project coming of you. Like movies or Hollywood.
नहीं मैं Lux, please. I didn't win Lux. I just went and attended it.
Aisha Adil loved the music. Bas, that's it. Okay, so yeah, so that's a good question. Let's talk about the music of the film.
Yeah.
I think that's one of the differentiating factors in the movie.
Actually.
Yes.
The fact that we've used different music
By different artists, different.
Hamza Ali.
Somebody else is making the score. Which
Yeah,
is,
Hamza Ali Bas.
Abbas Ali Khan.
Abbas Ali, sorry. Abbas Ali Khan.
Hamza Ali
That's somebody else.
Who is that?
Hamza Ali Abbasi, the actor.
An actor.
Okay. Alright.
So no, Abbas Ali Khan did the score,
Yep.
and we picked up songs from different bands.
Like Muru,
Yeah.
Sikandar Ka Mandir,
Bakshi
Bakshi Brothers.
Yeah.
So the soundtrack भी हमने जानबूझ के कोई interesting और relatively unknown, not such high profile bands इस्तेमाल किए.
Very indie.
Yeah.
Indie feel के साथ जो था. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे.
Afshin Ali says, have you worked before, like
the theatre.
theatre?
Osama and Faris looked so pro.
Oh, thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank you very much. Yeah, as a matter of fact, yeah, we have done theatre.
We've done theater. I've done theater. He's done a lot of
Theatre
stuff.
and TV.
Yeah.
Yeah. So who forgets dialogues the most? I don't know. I didn't do scenes. Acha, you really? Acha, really? That would be him.
That would be me.
I don't forget. I fumble.
You refuse.
Omar
to-
Adil is just like.
I fumble.
हाँ,
So
ये सवाल का जवाब उमर आदिल देगा. You fumble?
I fumble like if too many same letters in one sentence would just make me a lot of.
Too many letters. Okay.
You like if there's too much of R or M
Like
or S.
or
more like मरियम गई लकड़ी को काटने के लिए तो टिकट कटा के like
Something like that.
Yeah.
So I mess up my dialogues in that way.
Okay, I think that was a good time to talk about the Pak Ching Dosti.
Zindabad.
Yeah. Okay, now this is a good point. This is not a politically motivated film. I know इस वक्त ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि पाकिस्तान चाइना के कोई political ties की वजह से ये फिल्म बनी है, but
Yeah.
again इस सवाल का जवाब डायरेक्टर उमर आदिल देंगे because he conceived this concept many years ago,
Yeah.
before the CPAC or before anything was happening in any part of Pakistan with China.
Yeah.
It just so happens क्योंकि पाकिस्तान has a long history with China, especially Hunza. अगर आप लोग history पढ़ेंगे तो आपको ये ज़ाहिर होगा. You learn that the Pakistan-China Silk Route has been there for many years. China has built so much of the infrastructure, and there are many Chinese people who worked in the northern parts of Pakistan और अब आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं कराची और इस्लामाबाद और लाहौर में. So
और इस्लामाबाद में तो वैसे भी बहुत सारे हैं.
बहुत हैं because there is, but it has nothing to do with politics. It's just about China because China has a history with Hunza. So yeah,
It's not a secret film.
It's not.
it's
Not
not.
at all.
We don't even know what that. Saira, do you even know what CPEC stands for?
I don't know.
China-Pakistan Economic Corridor.
Oh, is that what it is? Oh,
You
okay.
don't know what that is?
Yeah, I thought it was China, Pakistan.
I've been asked this question so many times कि मुझे like पता
सीख
चल
लिया.
गया है. सीख लिया.
शर्म के मारे जो
Yes.
learn it now. So speaking of that, tell us what's your favorite dialogue? पूरे फिल्म में. पूरी फिल्म में.
Favorite?
Yeah, सबसे favorite.
Favorite?
Yes.
I don't know about favorite, but the only dialogue that just comes to my mind like that is the one that I say to Zen.
Which is शक्ल अच्छी नहीं.
Huh. I don't know why, but that's the only dialogue that comes.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Okay, so Adil Damani asks, what were Kent's take on the beauty at the? I think he loved it because
Yeah.
he's from Vancouver
Yeah.
in Canada, so he's used to seeing nature and
Yeah, there are mountains,
Yeah.
there's a beach, like it's smack in the middle of the two, so it's a beautiful city as it is. Magar uske bawajood, our mountain range is insane. The Karakoram mountain
Yeah.
range is absolutely crazy. So he was also awestruck.
What
Oh.
problem did Ken face in Urdu
Urdu
dialogue?
dialogue.
Atikur Rahman is asking this.
Hi, Atiq.
He didn't really. If you watch the film, you'll know he doesn't have many Urdu dialogues, so he didn't really face any problem.
But
Okay,
he
so-
made, sorry, somebody
Go ahead.
asked Arshad Ijaz, why are you ignoring my comment? What
What's his
comment?
comment? Can we-
Sorry,
can we go down?
Arshad Ijaz.
Can we go down?
Arshad, no, can you just ask again? Till then we'll.
Maria Abdul
Oh,
Hadi
please
thought
ask
Kent
him.
was from Hunza. So we thought also he worked at French Bakery, but it's not true. Say something in Chinese. Chow mein. I know somebody said say something
You
in
know now
Chinese.
that
Chow mein.
Chow mein is Chinese. It's not
Come on.
Pakistani. What else am I supposed to say? I'm not Chinese.
Okay.
Any chance to say, okay, what problem face is that? I think, no. Why are you ignoring my comment?
Yeah, right.
Arshad
Well,
Ijaz.
I guess it's answered now. Anyways, I don't know. I don't
Farish,
know. We
your
can't
love
find
story
your
was
comment,
awesome.
Arshad
Ha, ha,
Ijaz.
ha,
Can
it
you
was
please send
funny.
it again?
Yeah, that's my life.
Bank endorsing a movie.
Why are you ignoring? Okay, what problem? Okay, bank endorsing a movie? Yes, that's a good point. Why is a bank endorsing a movie? देखिए, movies and films are made by artists, and artists usually don't have a lot of leverage financially or marketing के हवाले से. So we always need the support of the corporate sector. Anyone can cut me off here if I'm wrong. We need the corporate sector, be it anything, to help support us financially or promoting us through their network, like this platform Suneri Bank has given us, without which we would just be sitting at home watching TV. Are you guys coming to Multan for promotion? Mina Waqas? Unfortunately not. I'm sorry.
Please read
No,
what Maheen
no.
Qureshi saying.
Maheen Qureshi.
I haven't seen any Pakistani movie yet, but looking forward to see this one. Only if you guys could give a shout out to my fiance.
Standing across, he's Salim.
Hey, that's sorry.
All right.
There.
Okay. And are you guys okay? Saira saw you at store with your daughter. Some creepy guy. Saira, your dressing was never mind. Saira, I'm just commenting to send love to Noore.
Thank you.
Rathore.
Why does this guy know your daughter's name? You said in the
Because
film.
everybody knows my daughter's name.
Okay, well, you said in the film that she's having a good time with Chinese. Why you brought me here? So did you have hearts for her? What?
Hussain Tariq,
Why?
Can
Come
anyone
on.
translate that? इसका तर्जुमा हो सकता है? What is it? Okay.
In the story.
You said the film, if she is having a good time with Chinese, why you brought me here? Oh, me! That's right. Oh, in my dialogue, I said, कि, oh, no. It was because we had a fight. So my
Yeah.
thing was, कि अगर इसने
Oh.
लड़ना है था, but that's open to interpretation. Some people might think it's because Faraz's character likes Resham's character, so that could be it. Very good. Sorry about that, Mr. Hussain Tariq. That was a very, very clever observation. Hi, Osama. Just came out to say hi. Love the soundtrack for the movie. Zia Faruqi.
What's up, Zainab? That's Zainab. Zainab.
Maria.
I call her Zia.
Says, love the subject matter, will definitely give Pakistani cinema a whole lot of recognition
Inshallah.
while adding a
Fresh approach.
Yeah, I'm blind. I'm so sorry.
Okay, a fresh approach. The cast is awesome, as well as the director has done a fabulous job.
Uzair Yar Khan has an interesting question. Saira, how was your experience working with your father-in-law?
It was great. I've worked with him a couple of times before.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's great having him on set, because he's constantly guiding and there's, he's advising you could do it like this, you could do it like that. So, it's
You don't find that distracting?
No, I mean, I listen to what he has to say, but I'll still do what I feel like I need to do.
Okay.
So if sometimes he says something that makes sense, I'm like, oh, that's a good way.
Have you ever given him directions and said, Behroz uncle, I think you should try it this way?
Papa.
Papa, I think I've done it. Papa, maybe we should do it this way.
No, not we. I think you should try it this way. Ever reverse that?
तमीज कुछ होती है ना, तो हम तमीज के दायरे में रह के बोलते हैं.
You giving a suggestion to a fellow actor.
So तमीज के दायरे में रह के बोलूँगी ना.
Zakir Nasir is saying, reenact the slap scene from the movie.
Oh, sorry, he does that slap. Reenact the slap scene. Faris, actually, you're a good carpenter too. Ha.
Aliza Fatma.
I'm actually not, but I do plan to, when I retire, I want to be making stuff with wood. What is the challenge completing a movie in 40 days?
Oh.
Well,
Extremely challenging.
It was. I don't think if we were away from I think the only reason why we did complete it in 40-45 days because we were all away from home.
And we were running out of money. If we had lots of money, we'd be there for like 2 months, maybe 3.
No, if we were back home, this would go on in probably 2-3 spells, and first 15 days, and another 20 days, and another 20 days.
Yeah, that's true.
Faiz Zaidi is saying,
Faiz,
Faris,
can you do accents?
I've heard.
Faiz Zaidi is our sound dude. He is the reason the film sounds so good. Our dialogues are clear because of Faiz. Everyone, give a round of applause to Faiz Zaidi. We love you, Faiz.
Now do an accent.
All right. I don't know what that was. Yeah, Faiz actually hates my accents. Don't you, Faiz? Let the other one speak too, please. Which other one? There are 2 other ones. I'm the one speaking the most. Okay, you guys.
Let them talk. Go ahead.
Talk about Mansha and Jale. Well, they're not here, so we can say what you want. They're both horrible. I don't know about you. I hate them.
No, they're actually great people. They're
Yeah.
good people.
You hate them?
Best friends.
No, they're
A little bit.
nice.
They're nice. I don't
No.
want to comment on.
No, I really wish Mansha and Jale were here right now. I think Mansha was supposed to be coming, but
She's unwell.
yeah, I hope you feel better. It was, I think Mansha was pretty spot on with her character.
Which was? You could just elaborate.
She's playing Zaid's wife,
Tanya.
and Tanya, and they're going through this really rough patch in their marriage, right? So I think because everybody out of my friends who watched the film said that she was very spot on with portraying that character, and even Jale for that matter. I really wish there was more of you and Jale, by the way.
In the sequel.
Fun.
And the
In the
sequel?
sequel.
Okay.
We're making a sequel.
Yeah. So
It's called Jale Ke Saath.
Jale gets.
There's somebody who made a very interesting comment. Why is this film different from all the other Pakistani movies?
Yeah.
All the Pakistani movies just look like drama serials with lots of overacting. Sarah, having done so much drama,
We've done serials.
Serials. What is your comment?
No,
How is it
that's true because I mean, see, the thing is, all these mediums are very different. So when you're doing drama, the taking and even acting and even directing it is very different from doing a film. Film की script ही बहुत अलग से लिखी जाती है. The screenplay is very different. So if all these things are not taken into consideration, yes, you can look. It can look like you're watching a drama, a short drama on a big screen.
Yeah.
So I think this movie, what everyone has said to me is very cinematic. And
Shorts
even
के हवाले से
शॉर्ट्स के हवाले से बहुत सिनेमैटिक है, टेकिंग के हवाले से भी the scenes are not being dragged, which I think some people have an issue with.
And I think also TV पे, correct me if I'm wrong, very dialogue heavy होता है.
हाँ.
A lot of drama serials have a lot of dialogue.
Yeah.
And in film, you don't need to have that.
I mean, dialogue, what he means to say कि बहुत ज़्यादा dialogue होता है is कि एक एक चीज़ को समझाया जा रहा है कि अब मैं यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ, ओहो अब मैं ये भूल गया हूँ, मैं जाके ले रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
I mean, really a lot of unnecessary things are being said.
Yeah.
Whereas in film, you can just go and do it, and it's done.
Yeah, like if you have a good screenplay, you don't really need a lot of dialogue. वो कौन सी फिल्म है यार? You know that it's a Hollywood film.
Okay.
Where it's I think Brad Pitt was in it.
Huh?
Tree of Life.
Tree of Life.
Yeah, so there's not much dialogue there happening. Like literally, एक दो count करके आप इसमें dialogues होंगे. It's all just the stories being told with shots and how they've sort of yeah.
All right.
Shout out to the guy.
This guy in the middle is very famous now. All of a sudden, huh?
Yeah.
They want you to
of
sing.
course.
Let guy in the middle sing, please.
I think Masood Ahmed
Masood
was also,
Ahmed?
apologizing for his previous comment.
What was his previous
I
comment?
don't know.
Lucky for you, I have terrible memory. Let the guy in the middle sing during the commercial break. Is there a commercial break? So for the person who asked the question, we hope you do watch the movie and you do see that things are different, that we try to do things that are different. So go and watch it with an open mind. So is there any other talent that you have other than acting? Saira, first you. What is your other talent?
I can cook.
Oh yeah? What
Yeah.
can you cook? Are you good?
I think I'm fairly
Yeah,
decent.
good. Desi
Yeah.
stuff or?
A bit of everything. I don't really follow recipes. I like to create my own. Yeah.
No, she's good. She's good.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. She took over the kitchen in Hunza.
Yeah, I made kadai, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kadai banai thi.
Sandwiches.
Yeah, sandwiches.
So, yeah.
What's your hidden talent?
I make the best wings, by the way. Apparently.
Brains?
Wings.
Wings.
Brains भी बना
Can you
सकती
please
हूँ.
not talk about food? I'm really hungry right now.
So am I.
Okay, let's talk about another talent you have.
Another talent of mine.
Okay, if, for example, Khuda na Khasa movies don't work out, you can't act, what else can you do?
Oh God, don't say that.
I'm just saying, you got to keep your mind open. You never know. जिंदगी ऐसे गुजार नहीं होती. What?
I don't have any other talent, unfortunately.
Really?
Yeah. Like, okay, so my background is in marketing. I study marketing. I'm pretty okay with concept creation and stuff like that.
So good, you can come up with marketing ideas.
What about you?
Sure. Yeah.
Oh yeah, what?
What about you?
What about
Yeah, I
you?
have.
Hidden talents.
Yeah, I guess I play the drums. I play the drums.
Okay.
I can. I write a little bit.
Oh. Fahad Farooqi wants to know, Osama, who is your favorite actor?
Fahad Farooqi.
Fahad Farooqi. Hi, Fahad Farooqi. Favorite actor ever in the world?
Sure.
I don't think I have a favorite actor in the world ever.
You don't have a favorite actor?
I think I would have to say maybe. I watched In Bruges again. So Ralph Fiennes for now.
And I think now's a good time to take a break. But before we do, let's give a shout out to everyone. Thank you, everyone,
Thank
for
you.
tuning in and watching
Yes.
and sending us your comments and questions. Sorry for the ones we've missed.
Go and watch the movie for yourself, so do that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. बहुत मजा आएगा. चंद सीन मेरे और फारिस के बहुत अच्छे हैं.
Actually, अच्छा.
मजेदार.
मजा आया.
और अब आ गया है ब्रेक.
Break in next 5 minutes, not right now. We're just joking.
This was a pre-break.
Sorry.
Yeah.
And we would like to take this opportunity to introduce a great man, truly a
Wonderful
visionary-
person.
Yeah,
He is a legend known in his
to very few.
But he is a legend nonetheless.
And he has very soft hands
And hair.
sweet
Very soft
voice,
hair.
and very nice hair also. A
And
wonderful
cheeks.
person. Anything you'd like to add about our
I think
next
you've said
guest?
enough.
No, there must be something else. What is your opinion
You know
about
what I
this
really
guest?
like about him?
What?
His mustache.
Nah, he has a nice
His
mustache.
salt and peppery trimmed and cut mustache.
He's a great guy, you know,
And
and
we are speaking about none other than our director, Umar Adil.
yes.
Come on, Umar.
And a person even greater than Umar Adil, the producer, Beenish Umar.
Shall we exit? Shall we exit?
Yes.
All right.
So that's on me, guys. Bye. Oh, by the way, you can catch us on our Instagrams as well. Sairoz,
Yes.
Sairoz.
Yes.
Faris.Khalid, that's Faris DOT, not an actual dot. DOT Khalid, Khalid, and myself, Usama Tahir, Osamatahir.
Yes. Bye.
Are we coming back? Umar Adil sir.
We're still live.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And go.
Oh, questions.
So we're not cutting the session and we're continuing. And you've left us to talk and we talk.
Huh?
Okay. Okay, so hello everybody. I am Vinesh Umar. I'm the producer of the film Chale The Saath, and this is Umar Adil. He's the director of the film. So if you have any questions, please आप हमसे बात कर सकते हैं, questions पूछ सकते हैं. चले थे साथ की जर्नी जो है वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रही हमारे लिए. वी बीन वर्किंग ऑन दिस फॉर द पास्ट 2 years. वी मैनेज टू स्टार्ट द फिल्मिंग लास्ट अप्रैल. उससे पहले कहानी और उसके ऊपर स्क्रिप्ट और वो सब चीज़ें हम कर रहे थे. जर्नी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग थी, बहुत चैलेंजिंग थी. We made it this far. Now it's up in cinemas, and it's your time to support us and to go see the film at least. Give it a chance.
Okay, so we are getting some questions. How was the direction and production experience? To start with, any film where we have to travel and go to a different location for shooting, it is difficult compared to something that we do in our own city. Mari team mein, there were at least people from 3-4 different cities, and obviously there were international actors there as well. तो वो एक था सबको लेके जाना हुंजा में और वहाँ पे शूट करना and wrapping it up in around under 2 months. It was a difficult experience, but हमारी जो टीम थी, जो हमारी कोर टीम थी, जिसमें हमारे ADs थे और बाकी प्रोड्यूसर्स, प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर्स, प्लान हमने काफ़ी किया था इसको.
सॉरी, अभी एक कमेंट आया था मैट एट ड्यूड का कि ये चले थे साथ क्या जुनून के गाने से इंस्पायर्ड है. एंड यू आर द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु सेड दैट टू अस, एंड यस, इट वाज इंस्पायर्ड. द नेम वाज इंस्पायर्ड बाय दैट सॉन्ग. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the song because we couldn't afford the song. हम independent producers हैं, छोटी production है. We couldn't afford it, but we loved the song, and the entire story was based on that. Yeah. Why Hunza?
Hunza, देखें, I have worked in that area. Me and my core team, we have worked there before, and Hunza की अपनी एक culture है, एक tradition है, and then Hunza is linked to China. Obviously, CPEC is very, very prominent, but when we started working on this some years back, तो उस वक्त we thought कि why not we highlight Pakistan and China link instead of what we usually see on the media, which is Pakistan, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Pakistan, America. So it was something that हम audience को कोई नई चीज़ दिखाएं. So this is how it all started. जैसे पे चीज़ें बढ़ती गई, स्क्रिप्ट स्टेज में आया, उसमें कैरेक्टर्स डले और स्टोरी बिल्ड हुई, और फिर वो चीज़ें बढ़ के जो फिल्म बन गई है वो वहाँ तक पहुँच गई.
और हुंजा, जिस जो लोग ट्रैवल करके गए होंगे हुंजा, वो दे ऑलवेज ब्रिंग बैक अ पीस ऑफ हुंजा इन देयर हार्ट, बिकॉज हुंजा एक बहुत मैग्निफिसेंट जगह है. उससे आप बहुत इम्प्रेस होंगे वहाँ के लोगों से, वहाँ के कल्चर से. तो दैट जस्ट मेड इट वेरी इट वाज अ सीनिक तो था ही. तो फिल्म में सीनिक जगह आप ढूंढते हैं, बट कहानी जो हमारी है वो काफ़ी हद तक हुंजा के ही अराउंड बेस्ड है. इस तरह से हुंजा को चूज़ किया गया.
और यहाँ पे देखें, कहीं भी आप एक रिमोट एरिया में एक प्रोडक्शन लेके जाते हैं, चाहे वो बेशक कराची हो, लाहौर हो, इस्लाम, कहीं भी आप एक प्रोडक्शन लेके जाते हैं फॉर दैट मैटर, तो डिफ़िकल्टीज़ होती हैं बिकॉज प्रोडक्शन क्रू बहुत बड़ा होता है और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें बीच में रुकती हैं, फंसती हैं शूटिंग के लिए. बट द पीपल ऑफ हुंजा गिलगित, उन्होंने हमें बहुत सपोर्ट किया, क्योंकि विदाउट देयर सपोर्ट दिस वुडंट हैव बीन पॉसिबल. देयर वर लॉट ऑफ लोकल पार्टनर्स विद अस जिन्होंने हमें वहाँ पे गाइड किया किस तरह से शूट लेके जानी है. बिकॉज देखें, जब आप इस तरह की जगह पे शूट करेंगे तो देयर पेपर वर्क कांट डू मच. Yes, you have permissions, you have NOCs, but you have to really convince the people there, because you're going to their homes, you're shooting there, living there for 2 months with a big crew. बिग टीम, रास्ते रुके होते थे गाड़ियों की वजह से, हमारे ट्रक्स की वजह से और शूटिंग की वजह से, बट दे वर वेरी वेरी सपोर्टिव।
हाउ डिफिकल्ट वाज इट टू शूट इन हुंजा? वही जैसे बताया, वेदर के चैलेंजेस थे, पहाड़ों में हम थे, सिग्नल्स नहीं होते थे, फ़ोन नहीं होता था, वॉकी टॉकीज़ भी अक्सर काम नहीं करते थे, एकदम बारिश हो जाती थी, एकदम धूप निकल आती थी, एक्सट्रीम वेदर. How was the experience of working with the cast? The cast, mashallah, we have been so lucky. We've had a bunch of very, very talented and very accommodating and very, very friendly group of actors together. I think we're a big family right now, the way we've treated each other. तो सारे एक्टर्स ने हमें बहुत सपोर्ट किया और उनकी मेहनत है और उनका साथ है कि हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ देम, ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ देम हैज़ बीन fabulous throughout this time. Was the film shot in China? Mina Waqas is asking. Well, we've wanted to shoot in China, to be honest. China के वीज़ों का चक्कर बहुत लंबा चौड़ा होता है. We also tried for permits and stuff, but हमारी फिल्म डिले होती जा रही थी, उसकी वजह से we ended up shooting a part of it in Thailand, in a Chinatown. So it's not actually China, but it is cheated for China. I wish we could have gone to China though. Recreated for China. Bushi Said is asking, she wants to see the film in Sydney. Our international release plan is being worked upon at the moment, and as soon as it's locked, we will let you know kahan ja raha hai. I think you guys tell us that which actress is most talented. Every actress, that all three of them are very, very talented. We can't really put them on a scale. तीनों के तीनों बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग करके निकला है. आप लोग का फेवरेट कौन था, ये बता दें.
आई थिंक आप फिल्म देखें जाके और आप लोग खुद डिसाइड करें कि कौन सी सीक्वेंस, कौन से कैरेक्टर्स आपको पसंद आए. ऑब्वियसली यू डू have a soft corner for certain actors, a certain character, certain situations, and then the audience will decide. For us, everything was superb because जिसको जहाँ प्लेस किया था उन्होंने अपने कैरेक्टर से बढ़कर उसमें काम किया है. And we are getting a lot of feedback on that क्योंकि people are asking detailed questions कि वो I just read a question when it was asked कि why was this guy made to enter the house again when he was stopped. I'm not going to take detailed names because most of the people haven't seen the film, but Hussain Tariq ने एक question किया था. The answer to that is कि जब उस वक्त की सिचुएशन के हिसाब से हमें जैन को रोका गया था कि वो ना जाए बिकॉज रेशम वांटेड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू. बट उसके बाद जिस तरह से सिचुएशन फोल्ड हुई तो देयर वाज समथिंग बिगर टू लुक अप टू. सो फिर ऑब्वियसली दे ऑल आर फ्रेंड्स, सो दे डिसाइडेड कि हम इसको जो दूसरा इशू है उसको पहले सॉल्व करें. तो दैट इज़ माई आंसर टू दैट.
यहाँ एक सवाल हमारे पास आया, डिड यू एवर फील दैट दिस मूवी विल नॉट बी कम्प्लीटेड? यस, दैट इज़ अ प्रोड्यूसर्स डायलेमा. एट एवरी स्टेप वी फेल्ट दिस फिल्म कुड स्टॉप. हमें लगता था कि एक बहुत चैलेंजिंग अंडरटेकिंग थी कि हम इतनी बड़े ग्रुप को हुंजा लेके जा रहे हैं, पूरी फिल्म वहाँ शूट कर रहे हैं. ऑब्वियसली फंड्स हर प्रोड्यूसर के जो हैं वो एक बहुत बड़ा part hota hai of their job, and we did look for support, and where people like bank or corporations like Suneri Bank partnered with us and helped us through this time. Acha, hats off. We need more people like you. Yes, we do need more people like us, and we need more people like you as well. I love your reviews, my dad dude. And Shahana Rahil is saying superb movie, loved it, thank you very much. I think everybody should give it a try at least. ज़रूर जाके देखें फ़िल्म को, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि फ़िल्म को सिनेमा पर लगाना एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. पाकिस्तानी फ़िल्म को सिनेमा तक पहुंचाना बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. सिनेमा पे स्क्रीन्स हासिल करना बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. लोगों को घर से निकाल कर स्क्रीन तक पहुंचाना बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. सो ऑल आई कैन आस्क, ऑल वी कैन आस्क यू गाइज एट दिस पॉइंट इज़ प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच द फिल्म, बाय योर टिकट.
Favorite scenes actually for directors, producers to ask their favorite scene, it's a tough question, but I think there is a scene in the film where a very important scene where the father Bhairav Saab and Resham Saira, they are having this very emotional sort of moment where they have to take a decision where they are in the house. वो सीन की इंटेंसिटी आई थिंक इट वाज बियॉन्ड व्हाट वी एक्सपेक्टेड. उसके अलावा देयर वर लाइटर सीन्स एज वेल वेयर देयर वाज अ वेरी इंटेंस सीन शॉट इन अ ग्रेवयार्ड. उस जगह को क्योंकि देखें कब्रिस्तान है एंड ओपन आपकी फिल्म उससे होती है, तो उसको एक तरह से हमें एक ड्रीम सीक्वेंस की तरह दिखाना. तो बैक एंड पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही थी, वेयर टू शूट, व्हाट टाइम ऑफ द डे टू डिसाइड. शहजाद खान और DOP जिनकी आंख से आपने पूरी फिल्म देखी है, जिनका विजन था, जिनका कैमरा था, जिससे आपने पूरा देखा है, तो हमने बहुत डिसाइड किया था कि किस टाइम पे क्या चीज़ शूट करेंगे. बिकॉज सीन की इंटेंसिटी उसी तरह से डेवलप होती है व्हेन यू शूट इट एट द राइट मोमेंट एट द राइट टाइम. ऑल्सो कीप इन माइंड के सर्टन थिंग्स दैट डू नॉट कम आउट वेरी ऑब्वियसली, बट देयर वाज अ सर्टन टाइम schedule that was being followed. डे नाइट किस तरह से हो रही है, अगला दिन कब आ रहा है. सो वी हैड मैप्ड इट आउट कम्प्लीटली ताकि वो स्टोरी से आउट ना हो. बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 7-8 days 9 days इन दैट एरिया. तो वो 7-8 days आपको लग रहे थे. लिटिल डिटेल्स दैट यू विल नोटिस के यू विल सी पीपल, कैरेक्टर्स जिनकी आपको फेसेस पे नज़र आएगा कि वो कुछ टाइम आप पहाड़ों में गुजार चुके हैं. व्हेन दे एंटर हुंजा एंड व्हेन दे टिल द एंड ऑफ द फिल्म, यू सी दैट transition in their faces, you see that overall change in the environment. So these are little things that we have focused on. We have tried to do that, and
I think also we've tried to keep it very real. एक चीज़ जो इस फिल्म में आपको डिफरेंट नज़र आएगी वो ये नज़र आएगी कि हम बहुत रियलिटी से करीब रखी है. हमारी स्टाइलिंग से लेकर, हमारी कहानी और डायलॉग से लेकर, लोगों की लुक से लेकर, जिस तरीके से फिल्म की है उसको भी हमने बहुत रियल रखा है. So that is an intentional thing because we wanted to keep it close to reality. Also, Misbah is asking there any chances of the film being shown in Dubai. Yes, we are planning it. We will let you guys know. We do want to do a UAE release very soon.
Misbah we'll be announcing a UAE release very soon, and you'll get to know
something,
hopefully in the next few days.
Sorry, something about the logistics. के मुश्किलात. Challenges तो बहुत है. As I said when we started talking about this earlier, there are lots of challenges that come your way when you are going to make a film, and we were lucky to have an executive producer on board who was overlooking our entire process. And then we are lucky that we found a good team, and our cast was very cooperative as well. Fatma says, had watched movie was too much awesome, get much more success, inshallah. Thank you so much.
यही कहेंगे कि सब लोग जाके फिल्म ज़रूर देखें, बिकॉज हम पाकिस्तान में अब हैबिट नहीं रही है सिनेमा जाने की. पिछले 10-15 साल में रिवाइव तो हुआ है सिनेमा, लेकिन वो चीज़ आगे नहीं बढ़ी है. तो आवर रिक्वेस्ट वुड बी कि आप जाके देखें, because a lot of people, a lot of organizations have come together because they believed in this, especially.
Organizations like Suneri Bank.
We are sitting here because Suneri Bank believed in the more than anything else. They believed in the project because it's not that they were like, okay, we'll fund the film for you, something like that. They believed in something because they wanted to promote Pakistan, जैसे हमने promote किया. Even other
and they got us. Like when we spoke to them and we pitched the idea of the film, they understood where we were coming from, and that is great because corporations जब आपको उस लेवल पे क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस को समझती हैं और सपोर्ट करती हैं तो फिर काम जो है वो आसान भी हो जाता है और अच्छा भी हो जाता है. So we would like to give a shout out to Suneri Bank right now, and thank you very much for having us today and for helping us out in our film as well. And we would like to say a shout out to our fans who have all joined us for this session. Thank you so much. To all the
fans, अगर आपके questions हम नहीं आंसर कर सके या when Faris, Saira and Musama sitting नहीं हो सका because obviously internet and technology ये चीज़ आगे पीछे हो जाती हैं. So we thank you all. We would like you all to support us. जिस तरह से हमें support मिल रही है.
Overall, and watch the film.
Overall, जो लोगों की support है वो बहुत अच्छी है, and we are really really surprised because it's a very different platform. It's a very different film that we have produced, and सब लोग film देखें and
enjoy it and let us know what you think on our page. You can always contact us, send us a message, drop us, inbox us, and let us know what you think about the film. But please do go and watch it.
Thank you.
Thank you all. बहुत शुक्रिया.